This conference will now be recorded.
Hey folks, so today it's going to be a mock interview, so primarily focusing on Scoop. Let me use my editor. So again, as usual, so I'm going to ask questions. You're going to reply back to me only in the chat box, no audio answers, please. And when you send the answers in the chat, there is an option to send it only to the organizer. So send it only to me, not to everyone. So let's get started. So this will be primarily focused on Scoop. So here is our first question. So Scoop is, I'll give you options: data cataloging, data cataloging tool, data monitoring tool, data transfer tool, and data processing tool. So pick up the correct option from this. So your time starts now. 1 minute to go. Sabina, there is an option to send it to organizer. Don't send it to everyone because I want to keep track of your answers. So just send it only to me, not to everyone. Okay, guys, time is up. So what's the answer to this question? It's a data transfer tool. It is used to transfer the data from RDBMS to HDFS or Hive and then vice versa. So it can do import and export operations. So this is a true or false statement. Scoop internally runs our jobs to import or export the data. So this is true or false. So Scoop internally uses or runs Spark jobs to import or export the data. Is it true or false? Your time starts now. 1 minute to go. If you feel the answer is false, right, then come up with the correct statement. Your time starts now. Okay, last 10 seconds to go. So guys, the correct answer to this question is false because Scoop doesn't use Spark jobs internally to transfer the data. It uses MapReduce jobs. So that's the correct answer. So moving on to the next one. So this is kind of question which involves calculations. So the min value of a table's primary key, I'll tell you. So min and max values of a table's primary key are 10 and 1000 respectively. So what is the split size? What is the split size? As this involves some calculations, you will get 2 minutes time to answer this question. Your time starts now. Last and so okay guys, time is up. So here min value is 10 and max value is 1000. And how do you calculate the split size? So split size is equal to max minus min divided by number of mappers. So we know that the default number of mappers is nothing but 4, right? So let's try to substitute all these values. So 1000 minus 10 divided by 4. So this is like 990 divided by 4. Uh, let's do this calculation to get the exact number. So 990 divided by 4. This is 247.5. So that is the split size. That is, each mapper will try to approximately get 247 records. None of the mapper is overloaded. None of the mapper is underloaded. So that's how you calculate the split size. So moving on to the next question. MySQL JDBC jar file. MySQL JDBC jar file can be used by Scoop to import the data from Oracle database. So this is true or false statement. Again, as this is a straightforward question, you'll get 1 minute to answer this question. Your time starts now. Again, if it is false, then come up with the correct statement. Your time starts now, 1 minute to go. Guys, time is up. So what do you think? So this is true or false? So this is false. Remember, the ADBC jar file is specific to a database. So because we wanted to get the data from Oracle database, we should be using the JDBC jar file for the Oracle database only, right? So you can't use MySQL database jar file to get the data from Oracle database. Whichever database that you wanted to get the data from, you have to use the respective JDBC jar file. Otherwise, you will see class not found exception. Okay, moving on to the next question. So the next question goes this way. We can just a moment. I'm just thinking. Select the best way to give the password when doing scoop import or